Hey guys, how's it going? This is Gerald Harris with Real Estate Investing Tips for Beginners. So, I want to talk about today 5 real estate investing tips and tricks that you can utilize as a brand new investor. 5 tips that you can utilize as a brand new investor. So, number one, I want you to have a plan. What specific niche are you going to focus on? Is it wholesaling? Is it lease options? Subject to buy and hold, fix and flip. Have a specific plan of action. Number two, start small. What do I mean by that? Focus on one. Focus on one specific niche and go for it. Too many people focus on too many things. They get the shiny object syndrome and they go in this direction, that direction. Forget that. Start small, focus on one thing. Number three, location, location, location. So, in the specific area that you choose to focus on, there is either a real estate agent, a broker, an investor, or a local real estate investment club that knows the hot zip codes. In other words, what investors are focusing on specific zip codes. Okay. What do I mean by the hot zip code? So these are the areas or the locations where people are buying and selling. There's a lot of real estate activity, it's in demand. And so focus on locations that are shaking and moving. Okay. Number four, do your research. Do your research. So I'm going to go ahead and explain this one a little bit when it comes to real estate investing. So there's many of you that focus on a specific niche. All right. Let's say wholesaling. Now, one of the biggest issues with wholesaling is when people get into it, they don't understand values. In other words, comps, comparable sales. They don't understand what that specific property is worth. Okay. So when you're doing your research, just keep this general thought in mind. I need to get this property at a cheap price in order to go ahead, turn around, and assign it to a cash buyer. The research or the due diligence this is the due diligence period, right? When you're doing your research, there's a lot of different things that you do besides finding out what the comps are. But this is one of the more important things, if not the most important thing. You have to know values. Many of you are getting properties under contract at a retail price, and then you're frustrated because that property is not selling. It's because you missed your research. Do your research or your due diligence when it comes to putting a property under contract, okay? Please, please, please. And the last one, which is, I can say this is probably, if not the most important, stay disciplined, stay focused, take action. Too many people, they drop off, okay? They get started because they're excited, but then they quit because they keep hearing no. You have to stay disciplined and continue to take action, okay? So, follow those 5 as a beginning investor, and you will win. Pay particular attention to number 5, okay? In the discipline aspect of real estate. Because, like I said, too many people, whether you invest money in training or mentorship or materials or whatever the case is, or you just start by yourself, many of you start hot and heavy. But when it comes to staying disciplined, many people begin to drop off. Okay. So please, please, please stay disciplined, take action, and you'll win. Okay. This is Gerald, guys. I'm going to have in the description, I'm going to have some additional resources and some information for you all so you all can learn about real estate and real estate investing. Okay. If y'all found value in the video, please click the like button, share it with family and friends, and Yeah, you guys have a great day. Take care.